Today's video is about network testing on a budget. So first, I think you need to have this simple cable tester. Now it's suitable, in my opinion, only for to test small patch cords. So you connect your patch cord. This is transmitter. It has 9-volt battery, so it has LEDs, and it sends a signal. Basically it sends voltage. This receiver doesn't have a battery, so it sends low voltage through the wire, and if voltage received on this receiver, LEDs will light up. So I will turn it on, and you can see that we are transmitting and we are receiving. Now you can see that my pin 7 LED indicator doesn't light up. This is because these testers are suitable only to test small patch cords. Okay. Basically, if you have both ends of the cable inside your hand, then you can test with this. If one end of the cable goes to your tester and you don't know where another end goes, and there is possibility that in that network PoE is active, it's not a good idea to use actually this tester, because right now there was incident some time ago, so I connected PoE line 24 volts inside this tester, so my pin 7 doesn't work right now. If I connect it to a receiver, also this indicator will burn up. So this is just for testing cable. That's it. It doesn't do anything, it's just continuity test. So it's still good to have, because with this one you can test RJ11, RJ45 connections. Some have coax connection if you need that, and more advanced units actually have open or short testing ability, so a little bit better than this. But this is good just to test physical condition of your cable. All pins okay. Maybe you have something missing signal on some pin. You maybe wiggle a little bit cable like that. You receive a signal. That means your RJ45 connector is bad, maybe. So yeah, it's still good thing. It costs around €3 or $3. It's from $3 to $5, so it's cheap. Now another thing to definitely buy is portable network card. This one is made by Ugreen. It has 45 jack on one side of the cable and USB C on another side of the cable. So this is basically portable network card, so you can use it as a normal card with your MacBook, which doesn't have RJ45 jack, or maybe your computer network card was damaged, so you can use that as a network card. But I use this for diagnostic. So I connect usually this with my phone. You can use tablet, and with this I use also RJ45 to RJ45 coupler. Now this coupler also is made by Ugreen, so it's a good it's Chinese company, but it's good, respectable company, solid as a rock production. So yeah, totally recommend that. So yeah, I will show how to test your network with this network card right now. So let's say we need to test this this cable. Do we have internet? Do we have connection with this cable, or we don't have connection? So I would usually, if possible, connect this network card directly to the cable, but sometimes it's not comfortable. That's why I recommend to invest in good quality coupler, so just for comfortability. Now, if possible, always better not to use additional connections. So right now this network card is connected to my phone. As you can see, we have send receive data indicators on network card. That means I see that we have a base 100 connection. So I'm pretty much sure that we don't have a physical issue with the cable. There is link. Okay, we can wiggle the cable to see if we are losing connection or we don't lose connection. To check it, just RJ45 plug. And at this point I would also recheck my computer to see maybe network adapter is disabled. Maybe network adapter has a static IP address or some bad drivers. Recheck router settings. Also with this connected to our phone, so I will open my phone outside the screen and I will try to focus. I use this awesome application called Network Utilities. There are many applications like that, so all of them are free. So with this application, right off the bat, you can see the external IP address, internal IP address, MAC address. If we go to connection tab, we can check where this device is connected. We can go to monitoring to see a graph of send receive packets. Also we can go to IP discover and start that. This is basically like a IP scanner. So let's say we have a problem, this computer internet works fine, but it needs to connect to network printer. So we can do this IP scan and check, do we see our printer on a network from this point of our network. So we can also use ping. So we can ping something, and we can also, again, we can wiggle the cable to see if we are losing packets or not. If we are losing packets, we need to check and change RJ45 plug. So yeah, this is a very useful application and it's free. It has a lot of settings. Okay, we sometimes get ad. If you don't like ads, you need to buy these applications, but if you go on ping options and we go to settings, we can change what kind of protocol we want to use: UDP, ESMP, timeout interval, how many packets we want to send, TTL size and packet size. We can change that. So maybe on a bigger packet size, then the problem we will see. Okay, on smaller pocket size it's okay, but on bigger packet size we will having issue. We can use trace route. These are features: wake up on LAN, telnet, SSH, so port scanner. Some of them are free features, some of them are paid, but this is definitely worth paying for. So Yeah, also inside our Samsung phone we can actually, with this adapter, we can go to configure this device, if this will focus, and we can put static IP address on this network card, so that's also awesome. Yeah, so what? So this okay, focus. So this network card costs around 7 euros. This adapter 2 euros. That cable tester 3 to 5 euros. So around 10-15 euros you can get pretty much okay hardware to test network issues. Yeah, that's it.